Hello, I am Ivy reporting for Classy News. On April 24th, the Department of Media and Communication at City UHK hosted the third session of its Media Leadership and Innovation Lecture Series. Come with me, titled Enhance Yourself Inside and Out, Personal Image Transformation, focusing on how personal image can support one's future development. Professor Yihui Christine Huang, head of COM, delivered the welcome speech, encouraging students to make the most of these learning opportunities to enhance both their professional skills and personal presence. The event featured renowned fashion designer and adjunct professor, Professor Dorian Ho, as the keynote speaker. He shared practical styling advice for formal meetings, job interviews, and workplace settings with around 80 participants. The event also invited etiquette consultant and 2017 Miss Hong Kong champion Ms Juliette LOUIE to speak. She discussed the crucial roles of mindset and interpersonal communication in shaping personal image, encouraging students to cultivate a positive mindset. Towards the end of the event, makeup artist Ms Karen YIU demonstrated simple, easy-to-learn everyday makeup techniques to help students present a natural yet confident look for different occasions. Finally, the speakers encourage students to keep refining both their inner qualities and their outward image to be well prepared for future academic and career challenges.